Hey guys, Mike here from Arrigo Outdoor Adventures. I'm getting ready to go out with Captain Neikirk. We're gonna try to do some pre-spawn crappie fishing on some brush piles that are in the staging area just before the shallows. See if we can find some pre-spawn crappie. He said he had marked a few the other day. We had a chance to go out and he said, come on brother, let's go. So we're going out with the captain and hopefully get some pre-spawn crappie. Let's see how we do.
There's crappie sitting on top.
Oh my goodness. Oh, I missed him.
Oh, yeah, this is
you got him.
This is a nice one. Oh yeah, look at that. Look at that monster.
Oh. Can you get it?
Look at that.
Right off the bat.
I didn't even see my bait. Look at there, buddy.
That's a beauty. That is a beauty. There's my bait going down finally.
He inhaled that jig. Look at that.
That is a beauty. Okay, let's get this back down there. Good job. That's a beauty. That's about
7
that's
of those.
probably 13 inches.
Oh yeah, I got 7 of those off this tree. Last time I had it.
Ooh, there's a big one. Come on, dude. Got him.
All right.
Oh yeah, that's a nice one, brother. Holy cow, I don't know if that's a crappie.
Oh, that's a crappie, yeah?
I don't think so. No. I think it's a smallmouth. Oh, sorry, brother.
Bring him over here.
Yeah, that is not. Here, go ahead, just reel yours up.
That's a danger of fiction with the Arrigo Outdoors.
Arrigo.
Arrigo Outdoors.
The captain, man, he put me right on him. He knows his stuff. Well, that was fun, but that's not what we're looking for.
Tennessee state record right
Holy heck. Got him. Bluegill. Well,
Mike, you're the multi-species guy.
yeah.
Guarantee you that's what those are.
Got him. That's a crappie. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Oh my gosh, Mike.
That's a beauty.
Look at that.
Quigley down under. Oh, that's a beauty. Oh yes.
You have to weigh that guy.
Holy shamoly. He slammed it. There we go. That's what we're looking for, brother. Oh my.
Does the captain put you on the fish?
Yes. Old Captain Neikirk does it again. Man, that thing fell right out of his mouth. It was barely hooked in the lip. Big old female. Look at them, full of eggs.
Yeah, you should throw that back so they can all.
Yeah. Yeah, let's let it go. Did you hear it go back in the water?
I'll have to shoot you.
Wow, that is a beauty.
I got a scale if you want to weigh it. Let's see what this crappie weighs.
Okay.
I'm gonna guess it's probably about 1.5.
Yeah, because I mean she's full of eggs. So.
All right, set 0.
$1.45, 1.43.
I'd say 4.5, but there you go.
Pretty stupid good, huh? That's a beauty. Got him. Oh yeah, that's a nice crappie. Oh yeah. Oh, holy cow. Give me the net, give me the net.
Here.
Oh my goodness. Got him. That's a beauty. Oh yes.
Are you videoing this, Mike? Because last time we were catching fish, you didn't put any video on.
I forgot to turn it on half the time.
It made me look like a bad guide.
I know it. Look at that. I got another hog. Oh my gosh.
You know what they call those in Texas, Mike?
What?
Hee-haw.
Yeah, hee-haw.
Donkey. Put that girl in a donkey pen.
Look at that one. Oh yeah, another big old pregnant white crappie. That's a beauty. Ho, 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 ho. Okay, let's see if we can see you dropping down. Let me find it here. There he is, he's right there. Dropping down. Look, there's the big fish coming at it, He's looking at it, he's on it. Got him?
Oh yeah.
You need the net?
Always need the net. 4-pound plus. How pretty that dude is.
Beautiful white crappie. Look at that.
Oh,
Got him?
Yes, I sure did. Hey, it's a dandy. It's a dandy.
Oh, 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 oh.
It's a dandy.
Let me get the...
Oh,
Hang on.
it could be the white record.
Hang on, let me get it. Yes! We got him.
He followed me all the way out here.
I got him.
Look at that. What do you think about that there?
Beautiful.
Is that a fatty or what?
Yeah, it is. Get him on camera. Oh yeah. It's about 13 inch.
Look at that fatty. Old Captain Neikirk knows where they're at.
That's right.
We did good though, I thought. We're just fishing around here, not going all the way down the Port Valley. And the quality of fish, you cannot complain about that, can you, Captain?
No, not at all. That was excellent. Hey guys. How you doing? Mike here from Arrigo Outdoor Adventures. Just sitting here getting everything all tuned up on the old boat, the Holy Crappie. That's right, she has a name. This is the Holy Crappie. You may be wondering why we call it the Holy Crappie, because when we catch a crappie, we say, holy crappie, look at the size of that thing. Anyway, we're getting it ready, getting her all cleaned up, getting it ready, got the motor tuned up, got the trailer taken care of. We are heading to Lake Weiss in Center, Alabama for our annual 1-week fishing trip. Myself, my wifey, the Crappie Queen, and the next cast. And we're going to be doing a whole week-long series of crappie fishing down on Lake Weiss, so we're going to have a good time. You don't want to miss it. Make sure you're there for the next adventure.